Hey riders, want to ride faster, longer, smoother, and look undeniably more badass doing it? Then buckle in, because today, we're diving deep into 10 hidden motorcycle mods that will seriously upgrade your riding experience. From razor-sharp handling to all-day comfort and head-turning style, these aren't just upgrades, they're game changers. Whether you're a seasoned vet chasing performance or a newer rider just wanting more control, these mods will transform the way you ride and how your bike feels doing it. Let's get rolling. Mod number 1, upgraded suspension. Stock suspension is built for the average rider. But here's the truth. Average doesn't always cut it when you're carving canyons, riding two-up, or tackling rough roads. An upgraded suspension, think performance forks, custom springs, or fully adjustable rear shocks, gives your bike a tailor-fit handling feel. It sharpens corner entry, keeps the tires planted mid-turn, and soaks up road imperfections like butter. Brands like Öhlins, Racetech, or Progressive Suspension offer systems tuned for your exact weight, skill level, and riding style. It's not just about comfort, it's about total control. Bonus: many high-end options even allow you to tweak rebound and compression on the fly, perfect for switching from street to twisties in seconds. Tip: don't just bolt it on and ride. Get it professionally set up for your weight and riding posture. Trust us, it's like unlocking cheat codes for handling, professional installation, and safety. Before we dive into the rest, let's talk safety. Not all mods are created equal, and not all of them should be done yourself. If you're not 100% confident in your tools, your torque specs, or your electrical know-how, let a professional handle it. A misaligned fork, an improperly torqued axle, or a botched wiring job can seriously compromise your safety and your wallet. Whether it's installing a quick shifter, wiring heated grips, or balancing new tires, it's always worth consulting a certified tech or shop. Plus, many mods void warranties if not installed by a pro, so don't risk it unless you're certain. Bottom line, mods should enhance your ride, not end it early. Know your limits, wrench smart, and ride safe. Mod number 2, aftermarket seat. Let's talk about your butt. Your stock seat? It's designed to save the manufacturer money, not your tailbone. An aftermarket seat with ergonomic shaping, memory foam, or gel inserts can completely change your ride. We're talking 6-hour rides with no numbness, better blood flow, and less monkey butt fatigue. Brands like Corbin, Saddlemen, and Mustang make seats that mold to your body, support your lower back, and help absorb road shock. Pro tip: some seats even come heated, ventilated, or with removable backrests. Touring? Look for pillion options to keep your passenger happy too. Tip: make sure you match the seat shape to your ride style. Cruisers want wide and plush. Sport bikes, slim and performance-oriented. Mod number 3, adjustable levers. Braking and shifting aren't just mechanical, they're tactile, and your levers are your direct interface with the machine. Stock levers can be too long, too far, or just awkward for your hand size. Swapping them for adjustable CNC levers lets you fine-tune your grip, so you can clutch and brake with just 2 fingers, precisely, every single time. This reduces hand fatigue, increases control during aggressive riding, and looks badass. Top brands like ASV, Pazzo, or CRG give you both function and style, and most kits are plug-and-play. Tip: don't just set and forget. Test your lever feel while wearing your gloves, because that's how you'll actually be riding. Mod number 4, LED lighting upgrade. Lighting isn't just about visibility, it's about survival. Most factory lights are halogen, dim, yellow, and power-hungry. LED upgrades give you a crisp white beam, longer lifespan, less battery draw, and far better visibility on night rides. And bonus: LED turn signals, brake lights, and auxiliary pods don't just improve function, they elevate your bike's look instantly. Brands like Cyclops, Custom Dynamics, and Denali make plug-and-play kits for nearly every major model. Tip: always aim your headlights properly. A misaligned LED can blind oncoming drivers or leave you with a poorly lit road. Also, check if your LEDs need load resistors to avoid rapid blinking or fault codes. Mod number 5, quick shifter or auto blipper. once you go quick shifter, you never go back. These systems let you shift gears without pulling the clutch, up or down, if you've got an auto blipper. It's buttery smooth, saves fractions of a second on every shift, and keeps your throttle pinned for max performance. Especially useful on sport bikes. Quick shifters shine in high-speed corner exits or track days, but even street riders benefit from the seamless power delivery. Brands like Heeltech, Dynojet, and Translogic offer kits for most bikes. Install usually involves a sensor on the shift rod and a simple ECU connection. Tip: keep your chain well lubed and properly tensioned. Smooth shifting depends on it. Still with me? Good, because the next 5 mods are just as essential, and one of them might save your entire bike from disaster. And wait till you hear number 8, it's cheap, easy, and makes a surprisingly huge difference. Let's roll on. Mod number 6, crash protection. You hope you never need it, but when you do, you'll be glad you installed it. Frame sliders, bar end sliders, case guards, and axle sliders act like armor for your bike. In a slide or tip over, they take the hit, saving your fairings, engine casings, and critical components from destruction. Think of them like motorcycle insurance, except you only pay once. Brands like R&G Racing, Woodcraft, and T-Rex Racing offer crash kits specific to most major bikes. Tip: avoid cheap eBay sliders made of brittle plastic or low-quality aluminum. You want high-density Delrin or steel components designed to flex or absorb energy, not shatter. Mod number 7, heated grips. Riding in the cold can suck, but doesn't completely have to. Heated grips are one of those "why didn't I do this sooner" type of mods. They keep your hands warm, your throttle smooth, and your brake response sharp, because numb fingers don't mix with high speeds. Brands like Oxford, Koso, or OEM options make universal and bike-specific kits with multiple heat levels. Installation involves wiring to your battery or a relay, and yes, you can do it yourself if you're comfortable with basic wiring. However, don't be scared or ashamed to get some professional help. Tip: use a switched power source or relay harness so the grips shut off with your ignition, avoiding accidental battery drain. Mod number 8, bar end mirrors. Useless. You see your elbows, your shoulders, maybe your backpack strap, but not the SUV speeding up behind you. Bar end mirrors give you a wide, unobstructed field of vision. They reduce vibration, add style, and sit lower, keeping your handlebars looking clean. Brands like CRG, Rizoma, and MotoGadget offer high-quality clamps that fit most 7/8 or 1-inch bars. Tip: always apply thread locker during install. They can loosen from engine vibes over time. Also, adjust so you just see the edge of your shoulder. It gives you max rearward visibility. Mod number 9, upgraded tires. The most overlooked mod, yet the most important. Your tires are literally your only connection to the road. Swapping to high-performance rubber gives you better traction in corners, better stopping power in rain, and confidence in sketchy situations. Looking for a sportier ride? Try Dunlop Q5s or Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4. Touring more? The Michelin Road 6 or Bridgestone T32 balance mileage with grip. Tip: always check manufacture dates. Fresh tires perform better. And don't cheap out on installation. Get them professionally mounted, balanced, and torqued. Mod number 10, tank pads and grip pads. Want more control during braking and cornering? Stick yourself to the tank, literally. Tank pads and grip pads give your knees something to lock into, helping you steer with your legs and reduce pressure on your wrists. They also protect your paint from zippers and belt buckles, so you stay locked in and your bike stays clean. Brands like Stomp Grip, TechSpec, and R&G make textured pads that install in minutes. Tip: clean the tank thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol before application, and avoid riding for 24 hours to let the adhesive fully cure. And there you have it, 10 killer mods that'll elevate your motorcycle from stock to standout. From smoother handling to better vision, from cold weather comfort to crash-ready armor, these upgrades are smart, as well as rider-tested essentials. What mods are you running right now? Any we missed? Drop a comment below. I want to hear your setup. If you learned something or enjoyed the video, smash that like button, subscribe to Motorcycle Vault, and definitely check out our next video. 12 terrible habits that can destroy your engine. It could save you thousands and your bike. Ride safe, mod smart, and keep enjoying the open road. Catch you in the next one.